All right, so JavaScript suggest paths. Enable, disable suggestions for paths and import statements and require calls. And this is set to true by default, which is a good thing. But let me show you what this is. So path suggestion is when you have a path, so if you write ... it's going to allow you to navigate the file structure or the project structure. So we want a supermarket, so let's go to the supermarket select. And then if we keep going, we can select something there, but we don't really need to, because that index.js file will actually export the supermarket select for us. So we can just do this. And if you disable this feature, when you go ... it's not going to suggest paths for you, which sucks, right? So let's keep the setting as true so that we can have the path suggestions.